BMW says the transmission is updated to interface with the NAV system and tweak shift strategy based on the terrain. Without an equivalent reference car lacking the system or any dramatic grades to climb, it was impossible to tell if the transmission was downshifting because we were braking into a corner, because the NAV system told it a turn was approaching, or because it was accounting for migratory behavior of Pacific orcapods and trending celebrity gossip. Whatever input it's considering, the ultra-wide 8-speed is seamless and quick to snatch the right gear when it decides it's in the wrong one. Above, clockwise from left, you can't play Game of War on the display key yet. Backup camera looks like a video game but turns off above crawling speed. In chauffeur mode, kick back and hey, will someone jailbreak this tablet already? For now, driving still requires human attention. Even the key is something special. The optional display key, $250, incorporates a small screen on which the driver can check to see if the doors were left unlocked or the windows down, or how long it is until the next scheduled oil change. Our challenge to BMW engineers: link the key to various household appliances so owners will know if they've left the oven on or the curling iron plugged in. If all of that sounds frivolous, know that the key has a second battery to control essential items such as the door locks and starting the car. The display key was the least expensive single item in our test car's $30,850 options bill. The tab also included 3 different packages costing a combined $12,850 that cut the seating capacity from 5 to 4 and added heating, ventilation, and massage plus heated armrests in all 4 positions, video screens on the front seat backrests, and a removable tablet allowing rear seat passengers near full control over the car's systems. Driver assistance systems, including self-parking and the semi-autonomous Active Driving Assistant Plus, which will perform all necessary driving tasks so long as the driver's hands remain on the wheel, tallied another $7,700. Luxury, appearance, and technology features made up the remainder. It's no coincidence that BMW is introducing what it calls Encore Delivery with the new 7 Series. The Encore is a visit buyer's schedule post-delivery where a BMW representative explains how to use any functions of their new car that they haven't yet figured out. If only the car would drive itself for longer, the driver would have more time to study. When the day comes that it can, it won't just be for safety or traffic flow reasons. It'll be because we ran out of other things for our wheeled butlers to do.